Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, I'm not, and that's defamation.
I'm sorry? I'm asking you a question. I'm not telling you.
No, sir, I do not work for the police.
Are you tired of government overreach and eroded freedoms? At tac-us.org, we're fighting back. We're the Transparency Accountability Coalition, a nonprofit defending your constitutional rights. No partisanship, just principle. From protecting free speech to demanding transparency, we're here for you. Visit tac-us.org to learn more and join the movement. tac-us.org, because your rights deserve a voice. Act now.
The stars in the night shine big and bright, deep in the heart of Texas. What's up, everybody? Here's a video from C.J. Grisham. Who is C.J. Grisham? Just one of the biggest patriots in America, coming out of Texas. He is a constitutionalist. He's a patriot. He's a champion for the Second Amendment and the First Amendment and people's rights in general. I guess you could say he was an auditor at one point, but auditor is just another term for patriot, journalist, an American citizen, a real core principle based in American citizen, patriot, auditor, a defender of the Constitution, a Ron Paul type of man, a Thomas Massey type of man, an American man. I hope that's a good description of C.J. Grisham. Veteran, etc. Anyway, he goes to meetings, and I believe he's like a mainstream. He still believes in the two parties, unfortunately, but he's somewhere in a meeting, and people are heckling him, so he responds to them. But the only problem is that he gets kicked out, and they don't. So he's having a meeting with this cop, and at the end, he actually thanks the cop for all his service. But the cop deserved it because the cop was being normal. He wasn't being a typical prick cop like a lot of them are. So here's the video. I'm going to mute some words that I know YouTube wouldn't like. And everyone, please subscribe to C.J. Grisham. If you don't know who he is, you've been living under the constitutional defender rock, so to speak. All right. Enjoy.
One side. We're going to have one more warning. Okay, so at this point, you're not trespassed out of here. They're going to allow you to stay. I would remain out here for a little bit until you have your testimony, okay? Look, I get it. There's other people getting involved with you, okay?
Will you tell this to him before I go back in there? Because I'm going to go back in there, and you'll notice I was quiet. When we were done and I sat back there, all I did was respond to cards responding to me.
I get it, but when you make comments like that and you kind of incite...
But that's protected speech. I can tell them anything I want. She said, yes, I'm threatened by him. And I said, well, I'm threatened by you. I don't know what you have under your turban.
Oh, man.
How is that? This is even about you. See, this is the problem.
Look, but we can't be...
Mind your own business, dude. Go find a bathroom that you belong in.
Don't come off as abrasive right now. So this is so right now in there, you have a right to have your testimony, right? But they don't want everybody getting up in arms.
Just if they leave me alone, I leave them alone. It's that simple.
Exactly. Just like when we go somewhere like an audit or a DMV or something, and people start mouthing off to me, and I respond to those people who start with me and start mouthing off at me first, because I'm good at comebacks and responding to people, it's my fault somehow. That's how it works. And that's what CJ's talking about here. And he's right. Don't start nothing, won't be nothing. If I got issue with the government, I'm recording them or whatever's going on, it's between me and the government. No need for you to step in with your BS.
It's that simple. Like, I wouldn't even know who this
CJ is using those triggering words on purpose because he knows it offends certain people.
was until he came up to me.
Let's not use that language, okay? So like I said, so they have one final warning for you, okay? Do your best in your personal restraint.
I will.
Okay.
I will keep my mouth shut as long as they kick somebody out who attacks me, the same way that I'm being attacked. Oh, get the... Oh.
Okay, look, okay.
Oh, I thought you meant by me. I'm sorry.
He's making me feel very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
At this time.
Happens to me all the time.
All right, I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to be quiet.
Let me do that, okay?
I'm going to be quiet.
Let's step over here, okay?
Yeah.
I understand. I get it. At the same time, let's not.
The only thing that's upsetting me, Trooper, the only thing that's upsetting me, I've got retired law enforcement credentials in my pocket, okay, and now I'm an attorney. The only thing that's upsetting me is I'm being singled out. Walking back, I had people yelling at me the entire time. And I respond to them, and I'm the bad guy. That is content-related discrimination. That is blatantly false and unlawful and unconstitutional. Now, if they'd have kicked me and her out, I wouldn't be here crying. If they'd have kicked me and the other people I was responding to, I wouldn't be here crying, but it's because I did it. And so
I get you, but I wouldn't view it as that way, right? They're just trying to, look, this is a crowd that's in there. People are responding. I understand this is a subject at hand that can incite verbal altercation.
yeah,
okay?
yeah.
They're going to remove, this is their establishment. They're going to remove people that they believe can be a cause for people getting up.
Okay.
Right? But
I'm
like
gonna keep my mouth shut. But if somebody approaches me, I'm gonna go to whoever, whatever. I still want that guy's name because I'm gonna tell him, hey, I don't want this person talking to me, and I'm not able to pay attention because she's doing exactly what you accused me of. I don't know what to do because I'm not gonna sit here and let them attack me, and I have to stay silent. Either all of us have to be quiet and respectful of the decorum and follow the rules, or none of us do. That's all I want, equal treatment. Either treat us all equally and kick us all out for speaking, or don't kick any of us out. So you're in a tough spot. This is not about you. I need your name because if I ever have to go to trial, I'll probably call you as a witness. But this isn't about you. I'm not going after you. Now,
here's what I'm going to ask you to do. Okay, I know it's going to be difficult. Okay, because I don't want to have. Look, this is a subject that's dear to you. You have the right to have the testimony on here. What I'm going to do though is try to remain.
Yes.
When you're not on the microphone, try to remain with your
understood.
lips sealed.
And I'm not lying to you. There's my T-Cole card and my retired
service. If they're making comments and you don't respond, guess what? Now, if they keep doing that, then we're gonna have to talk with them.
Understood.
Say, hey,
I can play that game.
This guy's not he's not responding to me, and yet they're coming at us. Okay?
Yeah, I can do that.
So allow me to have a little bit of a.
Understood. I won't make your job harder. Okay. But if they continue doing it and they're not doing anything about it, obviously, I just need his name because if they do keep doing it, I'm going to keep my mouth shut. I will keep my mouth shut, but I'm just going to collect this evidence. But I still need that guy's name, and he's refusing to give it to me. And I don't know where to go to get it. I have no idea. So anyway, I'll deal with that separately. But I'm making a promise to you. I'm not going to respond. I'll laugh at him. I'll smirk. I won't laugh out loud. I'll smirk at him. I'll maybe wink the eye a little bit.
That, and then when you're up, like you said, you have more testimony to give. Yeah, when you're up, you have a right to be on that microphone.
All right. I'm not going to make your job hard because I know these guys would just rather see you dead, and I don't want you to have to defend that. So I'm not saying they're going to. I'm just saying these people hate you to begin with. So I don't. I'm going to try and make your job easier. They won't. They won't try to make your job easier, but I will. So, yes, all right. Thank you, Trooper. Actually, let me double check and make sure this is where I've got my next bill.
Thank you so much, everybody, for watching and all the support throughout the years. If you're new here, check out my channel. I have over 3,000 videos. Click the playlist called Daily Videos or The Best of John Felix to see the videos that went viral in my past. So I can actually maybe make a few pennies for my efforts. Much love. Have a good day. Thanks again. Bye.